Hello everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 3 and section troubleshooting and 1.1 volts. Okay, this is first section of INE Foundation Lab 3 and let's see the topology. This is our logical topology. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 BGPs numbers, and there is reporting protocol representing between R9 and R1. We have OSPF version 2 between R2 and R10 here. OSPF version 2 either between 6 and 1, and OSPF version 3 between 6 and 7. And here we have ERGRPS number 123 between R5, R7 and R8. In the middle we have the VPN between R1, 7, 2 and 3. Between switch 1 and switch 2 we have ether channel or port channel number 12. This is our logical topology, and this is physical topology. I connected all 10 routers directly to switch 1, but you can put another switch between routers and switch 1 and connect our routers to new switch and connect that new switch to switch 1. But I prefer to connect our routers directly into switch 1. Okay, our routers are connected by interface Ethernet 0/1. Let's show this here for the show IP interface brief. Here our routers are connected by Ethernet 0/1, and for each network we have its own sub-interface numbers. For example, here on R1 we have 3 sub-interfaces, and let's see our logical topology on R1. Here on R1 I have 3 networks. One is network between R9 and R1, this is 1.19. First here I have this network. The other one between 6 and 1, this is 1.16. This is this one. And the other one is our DMVPN network, 1.100. This is okay. Let's check R2. On R2 I should have 2 sub-interfaces. One is for DMVPN and the other one is between R2 and R10. Okay, now let's check on my sub-interface. Show IP interface brief. We have 2 sub-interfaces, one for DMVPN network and the other one between R10 and R2. This is how our topology is created. Okay, because we have sub-interface, then on this interface, showdown interface, for each sub-interface, on routers I should have this command: encapsulation.1q, and this is our VLAN number. Showdown interface, this is our VLAN number. And because our routers are connected to switch 1, on switch 1 we should have this VLAN number. If I show VLAN ID 100, we have this VLAN number and show VLAN ID this VLAN number either. I should have VLAN number for all my sub interface on switch 1 plus, because switch 1 is connected by its own local interface, then let's show for the show IP interface brief. This is the Ethernet 1/2 interface. On switch 1, I should have two commands for interfaces that are connected to routers. The two commands are these two commands. One is switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, and the other one is switch port trunk. This is the command for finding within these interfaces. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's do this section here. There is one fault with the initial configuration that must be resolved. All information, IP addressing, interface numbering, etc. in the diagrams is correct. Okay, we should have fixed one problem here. There is one fault. Well, let me start by pinging R1. I was R1. All IP address correct. Also ping 255, 255, 255, 255. These are broadcast. I will send broadcast. And repeat one. If I type ping 255, 255, 255, and 255, I should receive reply from remote network. I should receive reply from this three network. I should have received three replies. Okay, there is no reply. Let's check out two. Okay, 255, 255, 255, 255, and repeat one. Okay, no reply either. The problem should be on switch 1. Pin 255, 255, 255, 255, and repeat 1. Okay, let's check switch. Okay, let's check my switch running config. Showdown. There is BTP mode. Let's check my spanning tree first. Spanning. Show spanning tree. All my port are in designated. This is root bridge. Other VLANs. Okay, let's show down. With module transparent. PBS plus. Okay, here I have VLAN access map command and VLAN filter. This is for filtering our network into all this VLAN. Okay, this is the problem. There is a problem here. We simply drop all VLAN traffic. Okay, let's change this step into forward. Config and VLAN access map. The VLAN access map name VACL and action. We have action forward. Okay, now there's pin 255. Repeat number 1. Okay, now I can receive reply from this. On switch 1, this is on other switch. So interface VLAN. Now let's check our router. Repeat pin 255 and repeat number 1. Okay, now I can receive reply from my network. This is 16. This is from R6. These three are from IDM VPN network. One is from 7, 2, and 3. Yeah. And this is from R9. Now let's check another device. Okay, on R2 I can receive reply from 3 DM VPN networks, 1, 3, 1 and 7. This is correct. And the other one is from R10. This one. Now let's check R3. Okay, on R3 I can receive reply from my DM VPN networks. I should also receive from this interface VLAN on switch 3. Let's check this switch, what is wrong with here. Show interface brief. Show IP. Okay, this my interface VLAN is down. Config T interface VLAN. No shot. باشه. show one VLAN ID. Show VLAN ID. Okay. What will show IP interface term? Show interface. Okay, the problem that is these interface VLANs are done because there is no. I have to configure. I have to configure this encapsulation.1q on these two interfaces. Let's check. Config T interface. If I do type do show on interface this Ethernet number, there is no encapsulation.1q. I have to configure interface. Okay, switch port, switch port, triangle, encapsulation, .1q, and switch port mode triangle. On switch 1, we have to also configure this command. Show run interface. Ethernet 0/0. I have to configure switch button. Config T interface interface range Ethernet 0/0 till 1 and switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. On switch 3, my VLAN interface VLANs are up. Then for 2 pin 255, 255, 255, 255, and repeat number 1. And number, it is correct. This is search 3. I have only found 1. This is correct. I have to enable encryption on switch 4 either. And let's check out 3. Okay, now I have my TDM repair network, and this is from switch 3. So let's check out 4. Where is our 4? This is pin 255, 255, 255, 255, and repeat number 1. Okay, there is one network. This is correct. Firmware 6. 4 is correct. Now check out 5. We have 2. Show IP interface brief. Well, I should receive 3. This is one is from 5.5. Okay, I have to enable on switch 2 either. Let's open switch 2. Let's go on switch 2. Let's enable encapsulation on all switch 2 interfaces. Okay, let's open switch 2 on config T. Interface range. Return 0/0 1. Switch port switch port triangle encapsulation.1q and switch port mode triangle, and interface range Ethernet 0/2 and 3. And switch port mode triangle and interface range Ethernet 1/0 and 1. And switch port mode triangle. Let's do this on R3. For the interfaces, config T, interface range, Ethernet 0/2 and 3, switch port triangle, encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. Interface range, Ethernet, this is another 1, 0 and 1. Switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. And there is only one on switch 4. Let's enable the switch 4. Config T, interface range, Ethernet, 1, switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. And Ethernet, because 0/2 and 3, and Ethernet, /0 and 1. Switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. On switch 1, I have to other interfaces, interface range, and this is for Ethernet 0/2 and Ethernet 1/1 1/1. Switch port triangle encapsulation .1q and switch port mode triangle. Okay, now let's check our on our 5. Okay, now I can receive 3. One for 8, 7, 22 is from switch 2, This is correct. Okay. Now 5, 6. Let's check on 6. This 67 from R7. 61 from R1. And 260. This is from switch 1. For on the 446. Or should this is from R4 either. Show IP interface brief. Let's check R4. On R4 I can receive the reply. On R6 I should also receive the reply. 46 6 or 46 4. Six. Okay, this is on the VIF. For this reason, I couldn't ping this interface, this IP, but I do ping VIF shared, and I tap remote IP address. Okay. This interface is on the VIF on this interface on R6 is on the VIF shared. I should use VIF shared for ping this other. Okay, and this one is working. R6 is okay. Oops. 6 is okay. Only 7. Let's check 7. Okay, on 7 we have for the VPN networks and 3D VPN networks and 125 and 17. This is R6 and this one is 8. 8, 5, 3 DMP networks and 6. This is okay. This is okay here. Let's check R8. I should receive 2 replies. This is correct. And 8, 9, where is 9? There should be one network. And 10. There should be one network here. Okay, everything is correct at this moment. In this section, there was only one fault. The fault was on switch 1. This is let me on switch 1. We had VLAN access list filter. For this is how we can use VLAN access list. We can create either. We can use this VLAN access either by access list or without access list. This access is for our interesting traffic. We create access list, access number, the permit or traffic. Then we use VLAN access map command, VLAN access map name, number, and match this access list and say drop or forward. Then we upload this to our VLAN numbers by VLAN filter command. We VLAN filter and we specify a VLAN access map, then VLAN list and VLAN numbers. Here there was shown on this will upload to all VLANs 1 to 2094. This is how we can use VLAN access to filter our VLAN, top off VLAN traffic. There is another command for filtering our MAC address. MAC address list. We use MAC access list. MAC access list. We specify the access name and permit our interesting traffic. Then on the physical interface, we use MAC access group command to upload this into our physical interface inbound. Okay, that's it. This was INE Foundation Lab 3, Section 1. And there was one fault. and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for being.